Welcome, amazing friends, and let me teach you how to locate these points on the earth. In my first teaching, I taught you how the earth is being divided and what we call each part of the division. Ensure to go through it. Now, I will just go straight to answering this. I'm going to teach you the first one, then you try the second. Ensure to participate actively. So to locate these points on the earth, we just use our sphere. Now, this is what we have. Remember that the line that divides it horizontally equally is the one we call the equator. And this place we label it east, and this place we label west. And the one that divides vertically and equally is the one we call the prime meridian. Here is our south, and here is our north. Now, to show these points, remember that from here to here is the northern hemisphere. This place is the southern, this place is the eastern, and this place is the western. So if I want to show 53 degrees north, this is my north. So here is 0. You move up 53. Just anywhere, you're not being actual, but just use your common sense. Remember also we said for north and south, it is your latitude. So you are using this line to show it. And for your east and west, it is longitude. So use this line to show it. So if I want to show 53 degrees north, north is latitude. So I'm going to use this. You see why I'm using it? So I'm going to have 53 degrees north. Please try and label. It's very important. So here is 53 degrees north. Now I want to show 25 degrees east. East is longitude. So you're going to use this kind of line to show this. So 25 for the east and west, here to this place is 180. So 25 should be a bit off from this 0. So we have 25 can be somewhere here. So I label it 25 degrees east. Now I'm going to locate A. A is where this latitude and the longitude have intersection. So you see that this and this intersect at this point, and that is the point you locate A. So a point is located when the latitude and the longitude come in contact, and that is for point A. Now let's show point B. For point B, we have 53 degrees north, which we have shown already. Then we want to show 85 degrees east. 85 degrees east, this is my eastern hemisphere. We've already shown 25. This is 25. So if I want to show 85, I will move a bit further from this 25. So I can have something like this as my 85 degrees east. So how do I locate point B? Where this 53 north and the 85 degrees east come in contact, you see that is this point. And that is the point I have as my point B. And remember that this point here is A. So what did you observe? I'm done showing this. Now, what did you observe? You observe that the distance between A and the B is what kind of line? You see that the distance between A and B is in the latitude. Did you see it? The distance between A and B is formed on the latitude, and it is formed on the same side of the hemisphere. What hemisphere is that? It's formed on the eastern hemisphere and also on the latitude. And let me know what you think about this. Drop it in the comment. If this helps you, let's know how much. Like and share. Bye.